Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide add friend button in Facebook.
So if you are a famous person in society, so you will receive lots of requests from unknown peoples. So that irritates you a lot. So to fix this, we will perform a short process. That is, we are going to remove add friend button on Facebook. So follow this process carefully to hide add friend button on Facebook.
So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to hide add friend button in Facebook. So let's get started. So guys, to hide add friend button, you have to simply open your Chrome browser. Now type in search bar facebook.com and press enter. So guys, here you can see our Facebook homepage. So first simply I'm going to open my profile. So guys, to hide add friend button, here you can see the option of account. So click on account. Now in account you can see the option of setting and privacy. So click on it. Now in this option you can see the option of settings. So click on settings. So guys, in settings you can see the option of privacy. So click on privacy. Scroll down. So here you can see the option of who can send you friend request. So simply click on edit. So here it is selected everyone. So from here you have to select friends of friends. So guys, here you can see we have hide the add friend button on Facebook. So you can also hide the add friend button on Facebook by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.